Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change TalkBack's gesture to swipe one finger down and then left option in Motorola Edge 50 Neo phone. So where to look for TalkBack's gestures and how to change them. First of all, we need to go to Settings. Then in Settings we are looking for Accessibility Options menu. Next, TalkBack. Then Settings, and here we have our Customize Gestures option. Here we have a list of every gesture that we can do using our TalkBack option. We are looking for angle. Here it is, one finger angle. And we want down, then left. So let's look for it. Here it is, down, then left. Swipe down, then left. And we can change it for whatever we need from here. Of course, by default we have assigned an action, but we can change to something that we want. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.